Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Monday 17 February 2025. 16 February 2025 UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number member only prediction boom. 3 hot number member only prediction boom number. First number 9, number 38 and number 42. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction number 3, number 18, number 27, number 38, number 42, booster number 7. Today UK 49's tea time prediction number, first number 6, number 12, number 20, number 35, number 44, booster number 28. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share.